Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video we are going to learn about squares to find the square of a number from 1 to 1000 in a easy way. Okay, so if you are first time to my channel, please consider subscribing. So this square can be found from 1 to 1000. So I am classifying this into 4 cases. So first case we will discuss about the numbers which are having, so first case the numbers which are having as having 5 as unit digit. Okay, so the numbers which are having 5 as unit digit, we'll discuss about how to find the squares of such type of numbers. Okay, second case, in case 2, so if the number exists between 25 and 75, so we'll discuss this case as the special case, that is second case. Next is case 3. So numbers lying between 26 to 125. So we'll see the case of the numbers from 26 to 125, that is how to find the squares of the numbers from 26 to 125. And case 4 is more generalized case, or will apply formula method. So we'll apply the formula here. So formula method which can be applied to any number. Okay, so this method can be applied to any number right from 1 to 1000. So this is the more generalized case. These are the special cases which we can consider for finding the square of the numbers very easily from so these 3 will be the special cases and this will be the more generalized case. So that means you can apply this and we can find the squares for these 3 cases also. Okay, so now we will see one by one each and every case. So we'll first see the case 1. Case 1 is, so the numbers which are having unit digit as 5. So unit digit as 5, so its general form is x5 whole square, because we are finding the square. So the answer for this, or the simple trick for this is, so 5, the number 5 which is in the unit digit, its square is 25, so write 25 first. So the number which has to be placed here will be, so if this number is x, then multiply it with the number which is incremented by 1 of this x. So the number here that must be written is x into x plus 1. Okay, so we'll see an example. So suppose 45 whole square. So if you need to find the value of 45 whole square, then so this 5 square is 25, as it is we will write. So this 4 is 4, so x into x plus 1, that is 4 into 4 plus 1 is 5. So 4 into 5 is 20. So the square of 45 is 25. Similarly you can see for 625 also, 625 whole square. Okay, so what is 625 whole square? So 5 square is 25, as it is we will write. So the number remaining is 62. 62 multiplied by 63. See, 62 multiplied by 63 will give you 3906. Okay, so the square will be 390625. So this will be the square of 625. So you can solve in this manner any value. So with unit digit as 5. Suppose if you are asked to find 62.5 whole square plus 4.5 whole square. So see, this type of questions will be seen in railway exams or bank exams. So 62.5 whole square plus 4.5 whole square. So we know that the 625 value is, just now we have solved, 390625. So this point is after a single digit, so we have to keep a point here after 2 digits. So if it is square, you have to make this point after 2 digits from right side. Okay, so 62.5 whole square will become 3906.25, and 4.5 whole square, so 45 whole square. So after 2 digits we have to keep the point, so 4.5 whole square will be now 20.25. so 45 whole square we have got it as 2025. So we need 4.5 whole square, so digit is after single digit and multiplied by 2, so we have to keep the point of, so single digit multiplied by 2, so after 2 digits we have to keep the point, so it will now becomes 20.25. so if you add these two, we'll get 5, so here 6, 2, 9, 3, so answer will be 3926.5. we can solve it in seconds. Okay, so if you use this trick, we can find the square of any number whose unit digit is 5 within seconds. Suppose most typical type of questions which can be asked in railway exams or bank exams is 45 whole square plus 4.5 whole square plus 0.45 whole square. So this kind of questions we'll see regularly in all the competitive exams. Okay, so same trick is same. So first of all we have to find the value of 45 square, so which we already found, so this is equal to 2025. so 45 whole square we have got it as 2025. so place 4 dots after that, because we have maximum of 2 numbers after dot, so we'll get 4 numbers after this decimal point, so we have to write this. Next, 4.5 whole square, as I have told you, 4.5 whole square is keeping keeping a decimal number or decimal point after 2 numbers. Okay, because there is 1 number after decimal multiplied by 2, so we'll get 20.25. 0, 0. Now 0.45 whole square we need. So this 0.45 whole square consists of 2 numbers after decimal point and multiplied by 2, so totally 4 numbers. So we have to keep we have to keep a decimal point after 4 numbers from right side. So this is 4 numbers, so this will be the decimal point. So value will be 0.2025 for 0.45 whole square. Okay, so 0.4 whole square is 0.2025. so if you add, this becomes 5, 2, 5, 4 dot, this will be 5, this will be 4, 0, 2. so answer will be, so answer for this question will be 2045.4525. So this is how we can solve this type of questions which are asking regularly in all the competitive exams for the numbers which are having the unit digits as 5. Okay, so hope you got this method and use this trick now and solve more questions, so that you will be in a position to solve any question easily and effectively within short period of time. Okay, so now we'll see case 2. So case 2, as we have discussed, is if the number exists between 25 to 75. Okay, so we'll take the standard number is equal to 50, so and the resultant number is 25 plus or minus n. So in this method we will take the values here. suppose xy whole square, the number is something xy whole square. So we will divide this number 50 from, we will divide this number from 50, so we will get some value, suppose some m, if you assume that it is m. So first of all we will find m square and write those digits as unit, those digits in order from right, that is in the unit digit, and if there is tens digit also we will take the tens digit. So both unit digit and tens digit, so unit digit and tens digit, will replace it with the value m square, that is the number which is obtained, square of the number which is obtained from taking difference of 50 with the given number. Okay, and the remaining numbers are replaced by the resultant number equation, which is 25 plus or minus m. If this m is positive, if m is positive, that is the number xy is less than 50, then take the equation as 25 minus n, that is 25 minus, sorry, 25 minus yes, the 25 minus this resultant m. Okay, so 25 minus m will take, and if the value xy is greater than 50, if the x value is greater than 50, that is m is negative, so m is negative, because if you subtract that we will get a negative number, so we will take 25 plus m. So if the m value is negative, we will take 25 plus m. If m value is positive, we will take 25 minus m, and we will write this number here. 25 minus m will be the number here, or 25 plus m, depending on the number given here. Okay, so this is the way we will proceed to find the square of the number from 25 to 75. Suppose we will take an example, then you will understand very clearly. Suppose 46 whole square. If you want to find 46 whole square, so first of all what we have to do is we have to we have to subtract the number from 46, sorry, from 50. So 50 minus 46 will give you 4. So m is now positive. So when m is positive, the resultant will be 25 minus m, which is equal to 24, and the value of m, so value of m is 4, so m value is 4, so m square will become now 16, so that constitutes these two digits, and the value of 25 minus m is 21, so this is 21. So that's all. This will be the square of 46, and 46 whole square will be 2116. Similarly, you can find the square of any number. Suppose example 56 whole square. So if you want to find 56 whole square, or 58 will take. So 58 whole square if you want to find, so this number is greater than 50. Okay, so 50 minus 58 will become minus 8. So m value is negative, so since m value is negative, so the resultant number will be 25 plus m, which is equal to 33. And what is 8 square? 8 square is 64. So 8 square is 64, and 25 plus m, the resultant number is 33. So 58 whole square is 3364. Okay, so in this way you can find any value between 25 and 75 with this easy trick. Okay, isn't it easy? Yes, it is easy. Okay, so you can find this value. Suppose if you are given with some typical problems in this session also, suppose like 4.2 whole square plus 6.2 whole square, we'll see this kind of questions in all IBPS or RRB exams. 7.2 whole square, 4.2, 6.2 and 7.2 whole square. If you want to find if you are asked to find these values, so we will use this simple trick and follow the decimal point rule and this square rule. If you follow, then you will get very easily the answer. So 4.2 whole square, that is we need 42 whole square. So what is 42 whole square? So first for 50 minus 42, 50 minus 42 is 8. So 8 here, and 8 square is 64, and the number is positive, m is positive, so it is 25 minus 8. 25 minus 8 is 17. So 17, 64 is 42 whole square, so we need 4.2 whole square, so we need to keep a decimal point after two digits, so it is 17.64 plus 6.2 whole square. So 6.2 whole square, first we need to get 62 whole square, so if you divide from 50 we'll get minus 12, so minus 12 whole square is 144, so we'll write only 44 and keep one aside. So we'll keep one aside, and if you have what is the resultant number? 25 plus 12. 25 plus 12 is 37, plus 1 is there here because we need to add this. So 25 plus 12 is 37, plus 1 is 38, and so 62 whole square is 3844, and if you want 6.2 whole square, so 6.2 whole square is obtained by keeping a decimal point after two digits. So this is the square of 6.2 whole square, so this becomes 38.44 plus 72 whole square. We need 72 whole square, so if you divide this with if you subtract it from 50, so you'll get minus 22. So minus 22, m is negative, so m square m is negative, so m square is 22. So 22 whole square we need to find, so it will be around if you find this 22 whole square, what will get? 22 into 22, 44, 484, right? So 484, so 484 will get, so 84 will write and 4 will keep aside, and this is 22, so 22 plus 25 is 47, 47 plus 4 is 51, so this will be the square of 72. So if you want 7.2 whole square, what will get? 51.84, so plus 51.84. okay, so if you just add these, you'll get it as 107.92. okay, so this is how we can solve the questions like this, or finding the squares and just using the decimal point rule, that is keeping the if the decimal point consists of single number after decimal point, and if it is square, we have to keep the decimal point after two values in the resultant. So, and following this rule, you can get the values very easily. Okay, so next we will discuss about case 3. So what is case 3, which we have already discussed? So the number lies between 76 to 125. okay, so in this case the standard number is 100. okay, so the procedure which we follow is xy whole square, they will ask. So this xy is the number which lies between 76 and 125. So first step, we have to subtract the number. We have to subtract the number xy from 100. So we'll get some resultant m. Okay. So the units digit and tens digit or place of the resultant will be m square, just as the previous case, and the remaining digits will be so this will be xy plus m or xy minus m. So if m is positive, that is the number is less than 100, if m is positive, then we have the number is xy minus m. If m is negative, then we have xy plus m. Okay, so these are the two rules which we have to follow to find the value of any square between 76 to 125. Suppose we'll take an example, then you'll understand very clearly. So first of all, we'll take 86 whole square. So 86 whole square, first of all we have to subtract it from 100. So 100 minus 86 will become 14. So m is positive, so 14 square is 190. So 14 square is 196. So we'll take only 96 and keep one aside. Okay, so next is the number is xy minus m is because the m is positive, the resultant which we have to take is xy minus m, that is 86 minus 14, which is equal to 72, and plus 1 will give you 73. That's all. This is the square of 86. See, it's very simple, right? So 86 whole square is 87396. How we have got? So subtract 86 from 100, you'll get 14. So 14 square is 196. So keep 96 here and 1 aside. And since m is positive, the resultant is xy minus m. Xy is 86. 86 minus 14 will give you 72, plus 1 is 73. That's all. 7396 is the square of 86. You can also do anything like 102 whole square if you want to find 102 whole square. So first of all, 100 minus 102. 100 minus 102 is minus 2. Okay, so minus 2 is the value. So m is now negative. So m square is 4. So we'll write it as 04. So this is important. Okay, please remember this. So if 2 square is 4, you should not write only 4. We have to write 0, 4. Okay, so this is important. 0 and 4 we have to write, not only 4. Okay, and then m is negative. So the resultant is xy plus m. So 102 plus 2, which is equal to 104. That's all. 10404 is the square of 102. That's all. Is it so simple? So if you can want, you can take another number, 123 whole square. Okay, so 123 whole square, if you subtract it from 100, 123, so it gives you minus 23. M is negative, and 23 whole square, so 23 square is 529. So we'll write 29 here and keep 5 aside. Okay, now m is negative, so xy plus m is 123 plus 23 is 146. So to 146 we have to add 5. So 146 plus 5 will give you 151. That's all. This will be the square of 123 whole square. So 15129. Okay, so using this simple trick we can find the values, we can find the square of the values of any numbers between 76 and 125. Okay, so next we'll discuss about case 4. So case 4 is generalized case. So it is called generalized case because we can find all the squares of values of any number from 1 to 1000. So in this case we'll consider xy square, the square of the number to be found, and we'll take x square here, 2xy and y square. So the number y square, so the unit digit in y square is considered for final answer, and the remaining digits will be propagated as carry to 2xy. So we'll add it to 2xy, and the unit digit here is also considered for answer, and the remaining digits will be propagated as carry here. So we'll get a final form here, or final answer here. So this final answer of the addition along with the 2 unit digits considered will form the final answer for this square of the number. Okay, so we'll see an example, then you'll understand very clearly about this process. So if you want to consider, or if you want to find 46 whole square, so now in this case x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 6. So x square 2xy and y square is, x square is 16, 2xy, 2 into 4 into 6 is 48. Okay, and y square is 36. So this 6 is considered for final answer. This 3 will be propagated as carry, so you'll get 51. This 1 is now considered for answer, so 1 is here plus 5 here, and this is 2 1. So 2116 will be the answer for 46. Okay, so using this method you can also find the square of the number very easily. If you consider for a 3-digit number, suppose 376 whole square you want to find, so we always consider only one bit for y and the remaining bits is for x. That is, now x is equal to 37 and y is equal to 6. So now x square 2xy and y square. So what is x square? 37 whole square is 1369. and 2 into 37 into 6 is 444. So 444 here, and y square, what is y? 6, and y square is 36. So this 6 in the unit digit is considered for final answer, and 3 is propagated as carry here, plus 3, it will now become 447. So this 7 in the unit digit is considered for the final answer, and this 44 is propagated as carry. So 9 4 13, 6 4 10 11, 4 here, 1 4 1 3. So 141,376 is the square of 376. So 376 whole square is equal to 141376. So in this way we can find the square of any number from 1 to 1000. Okay, hope you got all the methods. So I think this is the easiest way to find the square of the number. So if you like the video, please like, please share with your friends, subscribe to my channel. So, and in the end, find the value of 686 whole square and comment in the comment section. Okay, thank you.